Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can remove poses and filler words from your video using AI cut feature on InShot. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my InShot application on my mobile phone, and then I'm going to create new project on InShot. I'm going to select video, and then I'm going to select new. And here we can choose the video we want to remove the poses and the filler words from. And for example, I'm going to select video from my camera. Wait guys, I'm still looking for my video. Wait, okay, I'm going to select this video. I'm going to remove the poses and the filler words from this video. To do that, we can go to the AI cut feature, select this AI cut feature on your InShot, and then you can simply click on start. Okay, and just wait for a moment until the process completed. You need to wait until 100%. It depends on the duration of your video. Okay, and this is the result guys. As you can see that 16 segments have been removed from my video, and I'm going to click on the check mark. And if you're not satisfied with the result, you can click on edit right here, and then you can manually edit the result. Okay, and then I'm going to show you guys the final result.
Back with me and on the way to the office. Husband is waiting for me as always.
And then here you can read the description guys. Currently supported languages are English, and then Indonesia, and you can see the list right here. Okay, that's so easy, right? You just need to select the AI cut, and then it will remove your filler words and also the poses automatically with AI on InShot. Okay guys, and that's all the way to remove poses and filler words using the AI cut feature on InShot. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video guys.